What if I told you the truth about Cassie, and Diddy goes deeper than what the headlines say? This is not just about one man's wrongdoings. It is about choices, power, and accountability. Let's talk about it. Cassie Ventura was born on August 26, 1986, in New London, Connecticut. She came from a multiracial family. Her mother has African American, Mexican, and West Indian roots. Her father is Filipino. She also has an older brother named Roderick. That blend of cultures and close family ties made Cassie stand out early in life. By the age of 14, she was already modeling for department stores and appearing in teen catalogs like 17 and Delia's. She attended the Williams School, a private prep school, and started training in dance and vocals on the side. She was a small-town girl with big dreams and the drive to match. Everything changed when she turned 18. That is when she met music producer Ryan Leslie. He saw more than just a model. He saw an artist. He signed her to his label, Next Selection Lifestyle Group, and took her under his wing. Their connection became personal and professional. He was 26 at the time. She was 18. They dated from 2004 to 2007. Their relationship was not just romantic. It was the beginning of her entire music career. Ryan Leslie produced her breakout hit, Me and You, and helped her craft a sound and image that caught fire online. The song became a viral hit on MySpace, one of the first times the internet launched a music career. That buzz caught the attention of Sean Combs, also known as Diddy. He offered to co-sign and promote her through Bad Boy Records. That opportunity pushed her into the mainstream and landed her on the Billboard charts. Her debut album Cassie dropped in 2006 and peaked at number 4. She was just 19 years old. But here is what often gets left out. Ryan Leslie did not just discover Cassie. He believed in her. He built her sound from scratch. He was deeply involved both professionally and personally. Their relationship gave her a foundation. It gave her a voice. Many fans believe that without him, Me and You, and her rise to fame would not have happened. When things between them fell apart shortly after she signed with Diddy, it was not just a breakup. It was a turning point in her life. Rumors spread that her growing closeness to Diddy had caused tension. People in the music industry said Ryan felt blindsided. By 2007, Cassie's relationship with Ryan was over. Shortly after, she and Diddy went public. At that time, Diddy was 37 and Cassie was just 21. That new relationship would last over a decade, from 2007 to 2018, and would become one of the most controversial parts of her story. Did her shift from Ryan to Diddy have anything to do with love? Or was it a move from one powerful man to another? Did she see it as a way to boost her fame or career? Whatever it was, that choice shaped how the world sees her now.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.